Welcome to TezBytes, presented by TezTown. Today's question is, what is the difference between cryptocurrencies and tokens? Both cryptocurrencies and crypto tokens are considered digital assets. In fact, they are the two most common blockchain-based assets. A digital asset is non-tangible. It is created, stored, and traded in digital format. Cryptocurrencies have their own blockchains and are considered native to that blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are issued by the blockchain protocol they run on. Cryptocurrencies are used for exchange and storage of value, to pay fees, and to incentivize users to maintain a secure network. They rely on code to manage all transactions, including the issuing of currency. Tokens are units of value that are developed on top of an existing blockchain by organizations or projects. They are not native to the blockchain. Tokens are usually programmable, which means they can run on smart contracts. Tokens are trustless, which simply means that they are not controlled by a central authority. Tokens are permissionless, which means that you do not need any special permission to use them. They are also transparent, so anyone can view and verify the transactions. Let's use the Ethereum blockchain as an example. ETH would be the native cryptocurrency, but many tokens also run on the platform, such as Polygon, Tether, and LinkChain. Tez or Tezos is the token that we are primarily going to be learning about in this course. This token runs on the Tezos blockchain. The Tezos blockchain is a decentralized ledger that uses blockchain technology. Here's a fun fact. Tezos means smart contract in ancient Greek. The Tezos blockchain is an advanced blockchain because it allows people participating in the blockchain to directly control the rules. We will talk more about this in a future TezBytes. Thank you for watching TezBytes video presented by TezTown with Lily White. Please like and follow us for more videos just like this one. And if you found this video helpful, please consider a donation to TezTown. Thank you. See you around the blockchain.
TezTown.